Hello there, welcome to another easy tutorial of morph animation. Without wasting time, let's get started. Here is a cowboy character I am working on. And I want its weapons to animate with morph animation. The parent mesh of revolver is completed, but to be animated we need two models, one with the leg bone and other with the hand bone. After finishing parent mesh, there are two steps to perform and avoid messy results in the end. First of all, reset the pivot setting in upper right corner tab in the hierarchy menu. Follow the steps in the video. Secondly, reset X form settings of parent mesh. From upper right corner tab. In the Utilities menu, select Reset X form and press Reset selected. Our requirement is just to reset mesh position to put things in right place to get perfect results in animation later. After that, go to Modifier tab and right-click on Editable Poly or X form in the modifier box and select Collapse All from right-click drop-down list. Press Ctrl V from your keyboard to make base copy from parent mesh and rename it to make morph targets later. Drag the base copy little away from the parent mesh. As we completed the above steps, it's time to skin the parent mesh to bones. Select your parent mesh, and add skin modifier to it, and add bones to skin the model. I am gonna select right thigh, and right hand bone, as per my requirement. Select the hand bone and its related vertices to attach the mesh to bone. Repeat the same step for the thigh bone and its vertices. After finishing with skinning, copy the morph targets from base copy, and rename them as per your requirement. There are different type of morph target names, but I will be using .additive, as it allows multiple animations to affect the channel. First morph target is copied from base copy. And now it's time to make some changes to mesh structure. Scale up the tiny model beside hand bone. And scale down the mesh beside thigh bone to hide. It will draw weapon from thigh bone to hand bone to animate later. Now link morph target meshes to parent mesh carefully. Now select Parent Mesh, and go to Modifier tab, to add Morpher Modifier. Right-click any empty morph, and add morph targets one by one from scene, which we created recently. Now finally it's time to animate weapon, using morph sliders, to draw and fire. Go to Animation Frame, in the bottom of window, and press Auto key. Remove any existing frame keys carefully, by selecting and pressing Delete key from your keyboard. Now follow my steps, to make animation loop, from frame number 1 to 200. After finishing with animation frames, let's export our stuff to get the job done. Select the parent mesh. And export XMF mesh file, rename the file and proceed, add skeleton file, and finish exporting. Now selecting the parent mesh, turn off auto key from animation frame bar, and export morph as XPF animation file, rename the file and proceed, to finish exporting animation. Now let's go to IMVU, to test our stuff if it works perfectly. Follow the steps from video to finish the job. If you find the video helpful, please give us like, and hit subscribe button to stay with us for the future learnings. Thank you for watching.